Hi all, my name is Ram Sharma. I basically belong to Jaipur. I have experience with Vishal Mega Mart earlier. I was working as assistant store manager. I joined this GMCDC 5 months back, and I took training here for 2 months for English spoken and for voice and accent. Here lots of discussion, lots of group discussion, and lots of activities were going on. So I took participation in those, and there I found that slowly improvement in me, and I had lots of improvement gradually. So I thought that now I have very good exposure here in this company. So I just I took a chance to give an interview in Bharti Retail in Walmart. There I got opportunity. I joined this company, and that company given me the 2 months training, and 2 months training was fabulous. I had lots of knowledge about retail, and company is really very good. I had very good exposure from that training also, and here by taking training in GMCDC also, I just found that the training was really very useful. It is so good that whatever I wanted here to get my desired, my expected exposure, that I got here. So by taking training over here, I went to face an interview, and then I found that I was able to crack the interview of Bharti Walmart when group discussion was going on. So this group discussion here, which I took, which I participated, that really worked over there. And it was not easy to crack the interview there in Bharti Walmart, but due to the GMCDC, I could crack it, because here participation as was going on, I took participation and training over here. It is really useful, because the training which I got here, it was my expected training, and here I really got very good exposure from the GMCDC. Everybody should join this institute, because this institute is really wonderful. The faculty guys and the teaching way and the method of teaching here, because then people teach here the psychological method, and every activity which person wants here, that is being conducted in this institute. So GMCDC is worth joining institute. Everybody should join this institute. Thank you very much.